actually received a text from Instagram from a person questioning that what is the minimum legal age for using social medias, and the person questions about nowadays middle school students are using WhatsApp GIFs and chats, which is preferably inappropriate. Our Indian law approaches or appreciates inappropriate chats. Ask me about GIF. I'm not a kind of person using GIFs, but I was wondering what is the matter of inappropriate GIFs in WhatsApp. So I checked about the GIFs. I got to know that there is a inappropriate GIFs are available, and that is not preferable for kids. This trend is very different from old school technologies and methods. Nowadays, the school approaches study materials through WhatsApps and other social media platforms. So that is the basic reason for every school-going kids from primary to high secondary school kids to use mobile phones. Currently, we have to go with the trend, but I asked parents to provide their own email IDs to their kids. Privacy matters, but surveillance of kids is also matters. If parents provide their mail IDs to their kids, they can go through what other children are going through. And they also can access what other things their kids are going through. We are not going to surveil them for 24/7 hours, but just to make sure they are within our hands. If you ask me whether the law appreciates the content of inappropriate text in WhatsApp, the law does not appreciate at all. Law actually says either sender or receiver both will be held against Information Technology Act for sending inappropriate text, images, chats, etc. etc. And Information Technology Act will be take action against those peoples. The Information Technology Act 2000 imposes punishment and fine for these kind of inappropriate texts and chats, inappropriate chats which are transferring through medias or pen drives and etc. etc. Basically in the form of electronic method. Let's come to the part of the question. What is the minimum age of using social medias? The Facebook and Instagram itself provides a minimum age to use the Instagram and Facebook. The minimum age is 13 years. If you ask me about the WhatsApp minimum age, definitely any minor can't buy a SIM card and can't hold a phone number. So they can use a phone number and WhatsApp in sake of their parents' mobile number.